When you think about affordable smartphones, one name consistently stands out for all the right reasons: Motorola. Over the past few years, the company has carved out a special space in the mid-range smartphone segment, offering devices that balance performance, design, and longevity at prices that don't break the bank. And now, with the launch of the Motorola Moto G86 Power, the brand once again proves why it deserved the crown for making some of the best affordable mid-range phones in the industry. Buying a cheap smartphone has always been a gamble. You often end up with fragile plastic casings, laggy processors, dim displays, and disappointing battery life. But Motorola continues to break that stereotype by delivering smartphones that feel far more premium than their price tag suggests. The Moto G86 Power is a perfect example of that commitment, blending reliability, performance, and style into one well-rounded device that's designed for real-world users, not just benchmark charts. So today on TechVerse, we're diving deep into the three major reasons why Motorola continues to dominate the budget and mid-range space, and why the Moto G86 Power might just be one of the best value-for-money phones of the year. Let's start with the first and arguably most important factor: battery life. In a world where smartphones are constantly getting thinner, but somehow need to do more every day, battery performance often takes a hit. But not here. The Moto G86 Power packs an absolutely massive 6,720 mAh battery, and the results are jaw-dropping. In real-world testing, the phone lasts a staggering 27 hours in continuous Wi-Fi use, which means even under heavy daily usage, browsing, streaming, social media, photography, and calls, you can easily go 2 full days without needing a recharge. And if you're a light user, you could stretch it even longer. That's the kind of endurance that not only outperforms most other mid-range phones, but even challenges some flagships that cost twice as much. Despite the bigger battery, Motorola has done an incredible job maintaining the phone's slim profile. Compared to the regular Moto G86, the Power Edition is only slightly heavier, proving that smart engineering can deliver both capacity and comfort. Plus, when you finally do need a charge, the 30W fast charging ensures you're never tethered to the wall for too long. A full charge takes under 3 hours, more than acceptable given the battery's enormous size. This combination of longevity, efficiency, and practicality makes the Moto G86 Power a true game changer for anyone tired of carrying power banks or worrying about midday battery drains. The second standout feature that cements Motorola's reputation is its sturdy and attractive design. You might expect budget-friendly phones to feel cheap, but Motorola continues to defy that assumption. The Moto G86 Power might not carry a luxury price tag, but it sure feels like a premium device in your hands. The build quality is outstanding, with precisely aligned edges, tight tolerances, and rigidity that prevents flexing or creaking, even under pressure. It's the kind of solid craftsmanship that you'd normally associate with phones costing much more. The design aesthetic strikes a perfect balance between durability and style. For those who prefer a minimalistic professional look, the dark gray version delivers sleek sophistication, while color lovers can choose from 3 stunning Pantone shades: red, light purple, and light green. These bold colorways not only look refreshing, but also give users a chance to express their personality through their device. Adding to that is Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection, a serious layer of durability that guards against scratches and accidental drops. The device also comes with water and dust resistance, offering an extra level of assurance for everyday use. Whether you're working outdoors, traveling, or just living life on the go, this phone can keep up. In an era where even mid-range phones are moving toward premium aesthetics, Motorola has hit the perfect sweet spot: durability that doesn't compromise design, and style that doesn't sacrifice strength. Now let's talk about the third big reason Motorola is leading the mid-range revolution: its display technology. One of the most common compromises in affordable smartphones is a subpar screen. Dim brightness, low contrast, and washed-out colors are typical trade-offs in this price range, but Motorola wasn't having any of it. The Moto G86 Power comes equipped with a beautiful OLED display, offering vibrant color reproduction, deep blacks, and an immersive viewing experience that rivals far more expensive models. But what truly sets it apart is the brightness level, peaking at an astonishing 3,865 candelas per square meter. To put that into perspective, Even some flagship devices struggle to reach that level of brightness. This means that whether you're outdoors under direct sunlight or watching HDR content indoors, you'll enjoy clear, vivid visuals without any strain. The screen also supports HDR capabilities, allowing movies, games, and photos to pop with lifelike contrast and detail. Moreover, the color accuracy is remarkably precise, with both color and grayscale reproduction tuned beautifully. And while PWM pulse width modulation dimming is present, it operates at a high frequency, minimizing flicker and ensuring a comfortable experience for your eyes. This level of attention to visual performance is rare at this price point, and it's another reason why Motorola continues to punch above its weight in the mid-range category. But of course, no device is perfect, and the Moto G86 Power isn't without a few minor trade-offs. Some users have pointed out that despite its large battery, the charging time could have been faster, especially when compared to competitors boasting 45W or even 65W charging speeds. Also, while the phone's camera system performs decently for everyday photography, it may not quite match the versatility or image processing power of higher-end models in low-light conditions. However, considering its price, these are reasonable compromises, especially when you're getting such a strong mix of durability, battery life, and display performance. When you put all of these aspects together, the massive battery, solid design, and exceptional OLED display, it becomes clear why Motorola continues to be a top choice for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to settle for less. The Moto G86 Power demonstrates that you don't need to spend flagship-level money to enjoy a reliable, feature-rich smartphone. Motorola's approach has always been about giving users what truly matters: dependable battery life, comfortable ergonomics, and high-quality visuals. These are the core elements that define everyday smartphone satisfaction, and the company continues to refine them with every new model. If we zoom out and look at the bigger picture, Motorola's dominance in the mid-range and affordable smartphone category isn't just a coincidence. It's a result of years of fine-tuning, listening to customer feedback, and focusing on real-world usability instead of flashy marketing gimmicks. Unlike some competitors that prioritize short-term trends, Motorola keeps its attention on consistency and value. That's why its devices like the Moto G84, Moto G73, and now the G86 Power have built a loyal global fan base. These phones may not grab headlines for cutting-edge chipsets or camera megapixel wars, but they quietly deliver performance and reliability that matter most to users. For everyday consumers, students, travelers, professionals who need a smartphone that lasts long, feels solid, and displays content beautifully, the Moto G86 Power stands out as a brilliant choice. Motorola has created a device that not only competes but often outperforms in user experience compared to many rivals in its price range. The combination of long-lasting battery, premium build quality, and bright, color-accurate OLED display makes it a near-perfect mid-range phone for anyone seeking value without compromise. So, what's our final recommendation? If you're looking for a smartphone that delivers flagship-level endurance, stylish looks, and an eye-popping screen at an affordable price, the Motorola Moto G86 Power is easily one of the best mid-range smartphones of 2025. It's proof that good design, long battery life, and great display quality don't have to come with a premium price tag. Motorola continues to show that affordable doesn't mean average. It means efficient, practical, and built to last. And that's why we can confidently say Motorola makes some of the best affordable mid-range phones on the market today. So before you spend hundreds more on a device that barely offers better performance, take a look at the Moto G86 Power, because sometimes the real value lies in smart engineering, not just fancy branding. If you found this breakdown helpful and you want to stay updated with the latest smartphone news, leaks, and honest reviews, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. This is TechVerse, where innovation meets affordability, and we help you make the smartest tech choices every day. If you're in the market for a dependable, long-lasting, and stylish phone that won't empty your wallet, the Moto G86 Power deserves your attention. It's a shining example of Motorola's ability to blend practicality with performance, proving once again that you don't need to spend big to get big value. Stay tuned for more in-depth smartphone reviews and comparisons, only on TechVerse.